Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. This is an introduction to our latest division, or newest division, Kingston Sandblasting.com. This is a new piece of equipment that we just brought in. We'll share with you in videos as we go on. We have a brand new, quite large cabinet for indoors with a very, very large compressor dedicated for that cabinet blasting, for media blasting or sandblasting. And we've got a really big demand for larger items to sandblast. So this is a pull behind compressor. It's extremely strong. This is something crazy like 185 CFM. It's about 49 horsepower. It's a very strong diesel engine commercial product. So basically what we did is we painted it our colors. This division is going to go hand in hand. The Kingston Sandblasting.com is going to work really well with our our powder coating division called KingstonPowderCoating.com. So before we powder coat items, we need to sandblast them, and there's quite a big demand to media blast and prepare parts. So basically that's why we've started this division. So the website is just being developed now, so I encourage you in the next little while is check out KingstonSandblasting.com, and we'll share with you as we continue with the progression of this new division. I thank you for watching. I'm John from KingstonSandblasting.com.